As far as your sources are telling you, is it going to be a deputy CM announcement as well today? Could there be one or two deputy CMs in Delhi? Also, how many ministers are expected to take oath tomorrow, Mehndi? And who are these names as well?
Well, Uday, as per the sources that we are getting to know, there is a possibility that BJP can work on the formula of one CM and two deputy CM, in the national capital to manage the caste equations, because a lot of people from different castes live here and have given their mandate. So, as a sign for casting that voter, there is a possibility that BJP can work on one CM and two deputy CM factor. But talking about the cabinet ministers, Uday, then it is expected again, according to the sources, that 6 cabinet ministers can be chosen by the Bharatiya Janata Party for different departments. And talking about that particular list today, then yes, some of the senior leaders, Kailash Gehlot, Arvinder Singh Lavli, Manjinder Singh Sirsa, Mohan Singh Bisht, Vijayendra Gupta, and these are the leaders that are, into considerations for the cabinet to be given to them. But, speculations are very high that Mohan Singh Bisht, the Mustafabad MLA, can be chosen as the Vidhan Sabha Speaker because, he is considered to be a very senior leader of the BJP. Yes, his ticket was cut from Karawal Nagar, but he managed to gain win from the Mustafabad, which is Mustafabad is one of the seats which is not BJP's seat. So he managed to win from there as well. So it is expected that Mohan Singh Bisht can get the post of Vidhan Sabha Speaker. But these are all speculations right now, Uday, that the formula 1 CM and 2 deputy CM, according to the sources, and 6 cabinet ministers can be chosen by the BJP for the national capital. Yes, Uday.
Okay, and also, of course, now, Mehndi, the names of deputy CM, who are doing the rounds?
Well, Uday, talking about the deputy CM, then again talking about the caste factors that BJP is discussing right now, there is a possibility if BJP doesn't choose the women face as the CM, then one deputy CM can be a woman and the other deputy CM can be chosen from the Purvanchali, from the Purvanchali base. So because, talking about these particular elections and also the campaign of the Bharatiya Janata Party, the Purvanchalis were on the priority list of the BJP, and taking into consideration the Bihar elections as well. So there is a possibility that BJP, can choose a Purvanchali face for the deputy CM post, and if, not the and if BJP chooses the women face as the CM and the deliberations are very high for Rekha Gupta to be the CM, then the second option from the Bharatiya Janata Party for the second deputy CM, can be a judge or, Banya face. So these are all the speculations that are into, considerations are into buzz right now, and it will be clarified in some time that what formula is BJP working on right now, and who will be the CM or the deputy CM or the cabinet ministers in the national capital. Yes, Uday.
All right, let me in fact quickly also go back across